Hello everybody, my name is Bill Plegeman with Amerlux. I'm coming to you from the state-of-the-art home recording studio that my family commonly refers to as the garage. What are you going to do when you have to stay home to be safe and to keep everybody else protected? It's what you got to do. I hope you're all doing the same thing. I hope you're all well. Today I'm going to introduce you to a product called Slots and Dots. Slots and Dots is a 1-inch 48 volt, I should say 1-inch aperture 48 volt low voltage track system. It's controlled by dolly, so it gives you individual control of all the lighting elements on that circuit. It's available in a deep recessed version. The deep recessed version is great for when you want to mount those fixtures inside it. It looks like everything's nice and clean and recessed on the ceiling. It is a 1-inch aperture. Also available in a shallow recessed, very clean. You see that the mud trim ring, very clean, but a shallow version. Also available in a pendant or surface mounted. That version of track, great for over the top of reception desk or any, if you don't have an open ceiling, or if you do have an open ceiling, you want to mount directly to a hard surface, you can do that with the surface deep profile. And it's also, the fourth profile is a shallow profile. Again, all of them 1-inch aperture beam. The lighting elements themselves come in 4 different versions. In a 1 foot, a 2 foot, and a 4 foot section. Oh, by the way, the track is all field cuttable, so you can cut to your dimension. First thing I'm going to show you here is the opal. The opal is obviously general illumination. It's an opal lens. It's really nice to, if you wanted to put clean lines to frame out a particular area within a space, the opal lens does that really nice. We also offer prismatic optic. It's a little tighter beam, so if you have a tighter space, tighter hallway, tighter area, you wanted to control that beam, you'd use the prismatic. In the center here with the round optic, you see that there. The round optic is a 30-degree beam. That 30-degree beam does a fantastic job on wall grazing or wall texturing. You get that track nice and close to the wall. You put in that 30-degree, and that texture comes screaming off the wall. It looks really beautiful. And the last is the Comfort Series. Comfort Series is really about putting light on the plane or on your surface without any harsh glare. People aren't going to know where the lighting is coming from. Demonstrate that for you really quick. It simply snaps into the track. It energizes. As you see, the light is coming out of the fixture, but you don't really see where it's coming from. If you were walking underneath this fixture and you walked underneath it, as I'll turn it, you won't get into that beam or see any of the direct light until you get to a certain point. So it's got tremendous cutoff. Really does a fantastic job. You want to quiet down a space in a hotel, hospitality area, restaurant. You have those dark ceilings and you really want that light down on the surface. Comfort Series is the way to go. Another option for you is if you wanted to add some accents or some visual elements within the space, you wanted to put a beam of light over the top of the table in the restaurant. We call the dots. The dots are, where'd my other dot go? I have a small 7-watt dot on a track. So it's adjustable, so you can aim it, fully recessed into the track system itself. So it goes in, snaps in, energizes on, gives you full adjustability. That is available. That track is available. That track head's available in the large head as well as the small. All right. You also have the ability to cable mount or pendant mount the small or the large accent dot. So it gives you the ability to really snap things in. So change it. The area changes and you're right in. Okay. With that, that's Slots and Dots shipping now. For more information, you can visit us at www.amerlux.com. Call your local rep. Be more than glad to help you. Stay home, stay safe, be well. We'll talk to you soon.